Hi, what's up? So, really brief video how to add post to YouTube account. So, go to account and then go to post, and same like in any other social network, you can choose you want to add video or picture and so on. You can choose anything from your library. Add it here. So, we cropped it up and we'll write some nice description. So, basically, you can get that feature only if you have a premium account or you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers, and you can make some posts like say thank you for your subscribers, or maybe you have some news or any other kind of announcements or whatever. Really easy, super simple. That's it. So stay tuned, later will be more useful information.